Hello, Advent Day 13, Friday the 13th. Let's hope you're not superstitious. No point in being superstitious. We haven't got anything to worry about. We just got to get on with it because Christmas is coming, whether we're ready or not. So, what have we got today? We've got the Cowhide Doorstoppers. Last year we did the sheepskin ones, but this year we thought we'd change it up a bit. And we're going for the Cowhide Doorstoppers this year. We're offering them at £35 and 50 whole pence, which is essentially half price. They are coming in two natural colours, the Bianco and the Tricolour. As you'll appreciate, everyone is slightly different because it is the pattern markings. I don't think you can, unless they're sort of wearing floral outfits. The cows aren't wearing patterns, they're wearing markings, but it's all a byproduct of the food industry. So it's the skin that is retrieved once the beef goes to market, and then we have it, as you know, we make it into handbags, into bean bags, all kinds of lifestyle stuff, the belts you've seen. But with the offcuts, we make the Cowhide Doorstoppers. Is part of our circular economy, green growth certified, utilising every last part of the skin. It's our raison d'etre. It's one of the things that we put a lot of store by. So this is utilising the offcuts. On the base, there's the leather base. It's an upholstery leather base, so it's fit for purpose. Inside there is the beans and the gravel, but around the outside of that bag of weight is the sheepskin padding. That is what gives it the bounce. As I always say, when you've got fragile doors, vintage doors, you want something that's got the softness, the bounce, that it doesn't bruise the vintage doors. So have I told him the price?
Not yet, but you should have said sand instead of beans.
Oh, should have said sand instead of beans. Good job, somebody's listening. Somebody out there listens to what I say. So it isn't, right, go again, Sind. Gravel and sand with a sheepskin ring around it to protect it. And I don't know whether I told you the price or not. £36.50 is what I should have said when I was rabbiting on about the wrong stuff. Yeah, do I have anything else to tell you? I think I better throw in the towel. I'm getting too old for this job, you know, folks. Anyway, I don't suppose I'll get any sympathy, so I'll come back tomorrow. And don't walk under any ladders. Ha 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 ha.